In this next story from Breitbart, court disqualifies Soros-backed prosecutor Kim Gardner for fundraising off McCloskey case. Oops. A judge in St. Louis has kicked George Soros-backed circuit attorney Kim Gardner off the prosecution of Mark McCloskey because she used the case in fundraising emails. Mark and his wife Patricia were charged with 2 felonies and unlawful use of a weapon and tampering with evidence after they emerged on their porch with a pistol and an AR-15 to confront black looter mob Antifa Nazi race rioters in their private property in June. They have pleaded not guilty. Gardner sent 2 fundraising emails in which she mentioned the case. St. Louis Post-Dispatch reported on Thursday. Circuit Judge Thomas Clark II's order said 2 fundraising emails that Gardner's re-election campaign sent in response to political attacks before and after she charged Mark and Patricia McCloskey with felony gun crimes in July raised the appearance that she initiated a criminal prosecution for political purposes. And quote, "We've been saying that all along. I've been tired of these people targeting people, letting the race riot, burn our cities down in the middle of a pandemic." Quote, "Like a needle pulling thread, she links the defendant and his conduct to her critics." And quote, Clark wrote, quote, "These emails are tailored to use the June 28th indictment to solicit money by positioning her against defendants and her more vocal critics." End quote. In bracket, the McCloskeys sought to disqualify Gardner from the case, arguing that she exploited the case for political gain when her campaign mentioned them in fundraising emails weeks before the Democratic Party primary in August. State law directs the St. Louis Circuit Court's presiding judge to appoint another prosecutor in the case. And the order says Patricia McCloskey case is assigned to Circuit Judge Michael Stetzler, who will replace Circuit Judge Rex Burleson as St. Louis presiding judge next year. Patricia McCloskey's attorney will reportedly ask the court to remove Gardner from her case for the same reason. Gardner tweeted Thursday that she would be reviewing the court's order and evaluating options. Here's a tweet from Circuit Attorney at STLCAO. Statement from Circuit Attorney Office, City of St. Louis. Today, the media reported on a judge's ruling on the Mark McCloskey case prior to any official notification. We will review the court order and determine our options. And then here it's got the letterhead. Shows you from on December 10th, statement from the Circuit Attorney Office, City of St. Louis. Today, the media reported on judge's ruling. I think we just read that. Gardner received nearly $200,000 in the 2016 election from Soros-backed Safety and Justice Committee and received $116,000 from the Soros-backed Missouri Justice and Public Safety PAC in the 2020 elections. Soros has funded left-wing prosecutors across the country, including Kim Foxx in Chicago and George Gascon in Los Angeles. So that would explain why we got some whack jobs up in Portland letting the race rioters go. They got that Portland autonomous zone going on right now. They just took over because some people, they were indigenous people or something. I don't know. They weren't paying their rent back in 2018, back before the pandemic. And so they've had eviction notices on these people for years and they won't leave. And then eventually, when shit hit the fan, they just took over with the autonomous zone and just went full-blown race riot. The McCloskey spoke on behalf of President Donald J. Trump, the king of memes, during the Republican National Convention in August. Joel B. Pollack, a senior editor at large at Breitbart News. Okay, that's who wrote the article. If you would like more about this article, you can find the link to it at github.com/RSS commentary /Cale McCullough /issues/114 for this show. You can find links to this article if you're too lazy to type in that. Although if you're too lazy to type that in, then I'm pretty sure you're not going to type in the web address either. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button. Drop me a comment down below. What do you think about this political prosecutor? What do you think about these Portland Antifa Nazi race rioters? What do you think about the targeting of the McCloskeys for political purposes? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's a notification bell. Go ding. And then you'll be notified when I go live.